Everyone right now looks like they're on track, except one home cook. April Lee looks like she's behind everyone right now.
She's gone back down to grab the other fillet.
I have damaged the first fillet a little bit.
Now, this is gonna be a big setback.
I'm extremely nervous. The clock is ticking away. I'm not sure that I can pull this off.
This triple-decker challenge will take you across the Pacific to a country with some of the most beautiful cuisine in the world. Japan.
My favorite. I've been studying Japanese food for the past 10 years, so I'm super pumped to show everybody what's up.
Japanese cuisine revolves around precision, whether that's in the carefully balanced flavors or the artful presentations.
And to help you make the trip, we have invited one of the godfather of sushi in Canada.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Please welcome Chef Shigeo Kimura.
Oh my God, Chef Kimura, he is seriously an icon.
This is a privilege. Chef Kimura has influenced Japanese cuisine in Canada so much.
Oh, I just got goosebumps.
Chef Kimura was amongst the first chefs to bring sushi to Toronto back in the 80s.
Wow.
And he continues to showcase it at his acclaimed restaurant, Ginkgo, and as president of the Japanese Restaurant Association of Canada.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Thank you, Michael. And thank you, Chef.
Thank you, Chef.
Today, Chef Kimura will be showing you the proper technique for preparing snapper Usuzukuri.
Snapper Usuzukuri is a thinly sliced sashimi using Thai snapper.
Sashimi is just one ingredient. It's raw fish. But what makes this dish world-class is knife skills. The razor-thin, delicate cuts of snapper require the finesse of a master. Fortunately, I have one standing right beside me. Chef, would you please demonstrate for us?
So excited.
Everyone thinks because I'm from the East Coast that I'm constantly filleting fish. That's not the case.
Beautiful snapper.
So it's an incredible honor to see him do his craft right in front of us.
The real secret lies in filleting that beautiful fish, ensuring that there is no flesh left on the bone.
Wow.
Then ever so delicately removing the skin. And with expert precision, slicing the sashimi. Each slice, wafer, wispy thin, to the point where it's translucent.
Watching him do those slices, I've tried to learn that technique on my own, so it's an honor to learn from him.
Finally, that exquisite plate presentation.
Amazing.
Wow.
I think he's done that before.
Creating a dish like that can take years of experience. We're giving you just 15 minutes. Wow.
That's impossible. 15 minutes means nothing in the kitchen, nothing. Especially when you're under pressure, it goes by in a blink of an eye. I can't even do my hair in 15 minutes.
Japanese cooking is not my style, but breaking down the fish. I'm from Vancouver. I'm pretty good at that.
In front of you are the tools and the beautiful fresh fish that you'll need to replicate Chef Kimura's Snapper Usuzukuri platter. At the end of this first round, the quality and accuracy of your knife cuts will be judged by the master himself.
Are you ready to wield your knives like a master?
Yes, Chef!
Your 15 minutes starts now.
Let's do this thing.
This is true craftsmanship. To be a sashimi chef, this is not just about speed. This is about precision and quality.
You know, not simple.
I actually spent some time in a local fish market in Halifax, filleting fish by the dozens. So I have to follow my instincts.
Each of these home cooks is really concentrating on removing that first fillet. They want to make sure that there's no flesh left on the bone.
Touching the knife in the bone, meat between the...
I just gotta cut through this bone. Medic!
Taya has already cut herself.
That's not a great start.
I'm moving extremely fast. I really want to get up into the balcony, but I'm having trouble removing the rest of the fillet from the collar. So I start hacking at the bone. Not the fish fillet, the bone.
May is moving through that fish very, very quickly. But Jeremy is moving at a very intense speed right now.
Jeremy has got his fillet off first.
He's ready to start slicing.
5 minutes have passed. You have 10 more minutes left to get those razor precision slices.
Beautiful cuts.
It's very difficult to get those paper-thin, translucent slices of sashimi.
Yes, it's all in one smooth action.
My sashimi is not looking awesome. It's not cute. Every time I pull my blade through, it's falling apart. Watching Chef Kimura, he was nice and slow, so I need to cut my sashimi slowly and properly. Calm down, calm down, calm down.
Everyone right now looks like they're on track, except one home cook. April Lee looks like she's behind everyone right now.
She's gone back down to grab the other fillet.
I have damaged the first fillet a little bit.
Now, this is going to be a big setback.
I'm extremely nervous. The clock is ticking away. I'm not sure that I can pull this off.
3 minutes! You only have 3 more minutes left. Come on!
You need to be plating now.
You know what I like about Jeremy? Like Chef Kimura, he looks at the fish, looking at the angles. He's already seeing the slices before he even slices it.
I'm doing the traditional Japanese technique of cutting fish. You start cutting an angle, and to finish the cut, you make sure that your knife is at 90 degrees.
Oh, this guy, wow.
I want to show Chef Kimura that I can do it too.
1 minute, only 1 more minute. Get it on the plate.
Now it's just trying to make it look prettier.
Wow, Jeremy's already plated.
And Andrew, too.
Wow. He has lots of confidence.
I'm so nervous about time that plating skills go out the window for me. My fingers are shaking.
30 seconds left. Come on. I want to see perfect replication.
Hope it's good enough.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up!
Wow.
I look around and I do notice some pretty nice plates. I see some really nice, long cuts of fish that aren't as jagged like mine. But I know I'm no sushi master, so I'm proud that I'm presenting this dish.
Looking at my dish, I just feel like it's a little bit sloppy. I know my chances for making up onto the gallery for this challenge are pretty slim.
Hi, chefs.
A little bit jagged.
Yes,
Barry,
Chef.
it's nice.
a little tighter.
Look how thin that is.
Very, very beautiful.
Thank you, Chef.
Tay,
It's the first time.
First time, yeah.
It is very nice.
Jagged pieces here, but
Yes, Chef.
a bit of inconsistency. So the most important thing is every slice is the same size.
Andrew,
And
one of the first to finish.
It's like paper.
tried my best.
Very thin.
Jeremy.
Hey, chef.
Oh, Jamie, he's so fast. He's faster than anybody else.
I tried to use the technique where you finish the cut
That's cut
straight
nice,
down.
yes.
Yes, chef.
Excellent job.
Thank you, everyone. I think you made a great first impression for Chef Kimura.
But 4 of you were cut above the rest. The very best Napa Usuzukuri was prepared by
Jamie!
Well done.
I don't want to just be one of the 4. I want to be the best of the 4. So I'm super happy.
And the following cooks also earned a spot in the gallery. May,
Wow, good job, babe.
Andrew,
Wow, good job, Andrew.
Taya,
You 4 can head to the gallery.
Way to go, way to go. Thank you, chef. Thank you.
Walking up to the gallery wasn't something I did often in my season. And walking up there now is a great feeling. I could get used to standing up on this balcony.
The rest of you will be moving on to the second round. But first, we want to thank Chef Kimura for taking time to show you all some Japanese knife skills.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you very much, everybody. I wasn't expecting that much quality. I'm very happy today. Thank you for a chance to come here.
Thank you, Chef.
What a pleasure.